Hello kids, this is your Elvina teacher from MMI Bibvewadi preschool and daycare. So today we are going to do the activity dry pouring of beans from jug to 2 equal containers.
Using your 2 finger and a thumb, we will pick the jug up and with the other 2 fingers we will support. We will go from up to down, up to down, and let's check. There is no beans left. Keep it back. Now we will pour the beans again into the jug. Now one by one we will pick up the beans which are spilled in the tray now with the help of 2 fingers and our thumb. This activity aims in development of order, coordination, concentration and independence. To teach children how to pour and portions. To prepare for wet pouring exercises. Thank you.